Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic and you know very well what is the topic. So topic name is already written over here, it is transformation. So my dear student, in last class I taught you what is the meaning of transformation. So the definition says that what is transformation? Transformation means what? To change the form of the sentence without changing its meaning. And in the last class also I taught you what are those different rules by following which we can transform. That means we can change the sentence from one form into another form, but the main thing, that means the meaning will be same. Okay, so in last class I discussed by changing what? Active into passive, we can transform the sentence by changing from simple sentence into compound sentence, and by changing into complex sentence we can make or we can transform the sentences. So like this, so many other rules are also there in which I also discussed. By adding and removing adverb to, also we can transform the sentence. So let's begin here. Today I am ready with the rule number first. Apart from that, there is also another fifth rule, that is what? Change in the degree. That means you can transform the sentences by changing into different degrees. Like sometimes we are spoken to change the sentence into positive degree from comparative degree, or it may be from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative, or in any degree. Like it may be also spoken to you, transform the sentence from superlative degree to comparative, and similarly transform the sentence from comparative to positive. So any question can be asked, so we have to be ready. So let's begin with the rule number first. So what is the rule number first is saying here? So rule number first says that by removing adverb to, by removing, what is the meaning of remove? Okay, to eliminate or to, like we have to remove and we have to add something, you know very well. So here, in order to understand this, how we can remove the adverb to, let's see the example. So what example I have written here? He is too weak to lift it. He is too weak to lift it. My dear, you know very well it is what? The adverb. So here what the rule is telling? Remove. Okay, that means we have to remove this adverb to and we have to add something so that its meaning will be same, only the structure, only the form or the presentation of the sentence will be in different way. So we can write here, he is, instead of writing this sentence, we can write the sentence in this way also. How? He is so weak. That means here we have replaced, we have interchanged, or we have replaced this adverb to with so. So at first we shall write, in place of to, we shall write here so, and after that same word, that is the adjective. So he is so weak, and after that here you have to, in place of to you have to add here what? That. Okay, and after that what is the subject here? That you have to write here, and after that you have to add cannot. Why? Because the sentence is given in present tense. So what we can write? He is so weak that he cannot lift it. What does it mean? It means वह इतना कमजोर है, वह इतना कमजोर है कि वह इसे उठा नहीं सकता है. Fine. So only the way of representing, the way of writing the sentence is different. Otherwise, the meaning is same, and that we have to do in this topic, because the meaning of this topic is the same. We have to change only. Fine. Now, next one is here. You can take another example. So, here it is what? He is too miser to spend money. He is too miser. That means some person is there. Who is that? He. He is someone who is very much miser. Okay? That is why it is written that he is too miser to spend money. What does it mean here? वह इतना कंजूस है कि वो कोई भी पैसा खर्च नहीं कर सकता. Fine. So this sentence can be written in another way also. How? By removing this adverb to. So we can also write the same sentence. How? He is so miser. How we can write? We shall again remove this double to, like adverb to, and in place of this we shall write here what? So. So he is so miser that he cannot spend money. So simple. Okay. Now let's move towards the rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? Rule number 2 says that by adding adverb to we can transform the sentence. That means in the first rule I taught you how we can remove and transform the sentence. And here I am talking about the opposite of the rule number 1. That means here we have to add adverb to. Okay. So let's see here the example. He is so weak that he cannot stand. What does it mean here? It means here वह इतना कमजोर है कि वह खड़ा नहीं हो सकता है. So this sentence can be also written as, we can write this sentence like this also. How? He is in place of so. Now what we shall write here? To. He is too weak. He is too weak to stand. That means, what does it mean here? He is too weak to stand. मतलब वो इतना कमजोर है कि वो खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Its meaning is also same, and here the upper sentence meaning is also same. Only what we have done here, we have only changed the structure, the form of the sentence, but still the meaning is same. You can also understand by taking some another example. How? If I want to give you example of myself. Okay, I am Anjali teacher. The Anjali teacher is same everywhere. Okay, but if I am here in front of you, that means I changed my costume, I changed my form. How? I just decorated myself with knowledge and I presented myself as a teacher in front of you. But the real Anjali is same. At home, I am what? Mother. But Anjali teacher is same. Only the role is different. Okay. So, you can understand this in this way. So, it's very easy to understand. Only you have to change the form. But the meaning will be same. So, thank you very much dear students for taking initiative and listening to me. And you are requested to revise this topic very well, because after revising this topic, you will be able to score 2 marks very confidently. So thank you so much dear student. This was all about today's class. Have a nice day.